Hi there, welcome to Code Development, and this is Balaji. I am so happy to continue the tutorial in Swift coding. This is lesson 3, strings and characters, and in this strings part 4. Just recalling the previous sessions, in part 1, part 2 and part 3 we have seen string literals in this single line string literals, multiline string literals, special characters in string literals, extended string delimiters, empty string, string mutability, strings are value type, string interpolation, access strings, and modify strings. I hope you are clear about these topics. If you did not watch the video or you want some more clarity on these topics, please watch the videos, link in the description. In this video, we will cover below listed string basics. The continuation of part 3. The 8th topic is substrings. It is used to create a subsequence from the existing string. The 9th topic is string comparison. Here we will see how to compare two strings. We will see these topics in very detailed manner. So don't skip the video until the end. Okay, let's start. The 8th topic is substrings. It is used to create a subsequence from the existing string. Let's declare a string. Let greeting equal to hi there, welcome to Code Development. Now create an index that is pointing to the comma. Let index equal to greeting dot first index of comma double question mark greeting dot end index. Okay, now it has the index of the comma. Create a subsequence from the start to until this index range. Let first sentence equal to greeting within square bracket double dot less than index. Print the first sentence. Click the run button. See, it has the substring hi there. Let second sentence equal to greeting within square bracket index triple dot. It will create a substring from comma. Print the second sentence. Click the run button. See, it has the substring welcome to Code Development. Instead of this, if you want to drop some letters and create a subsequence in this, let drop first equal to greeting dot drop first 10. Here it will drop the first 10 letters, which is hi there. The same as we can drop the letters at last also. Let's drop the space development. It has 12 digits. Have any doubts? Count it. Let drop last equal to greeting dot drop last of 12. Print the properties. Click the run button. See, it has the remaining text. In the first one, we dropped hi there, comma, and space. So the remaining welcome to Apple code development, it's printed here. In the second one, we dropped space and development. So the remaining text, hi there, welcome to Apple code, is printed here. These all are subsequence of strings. To use this as a string, let new string equal to string of first sentence. Now it is converted as a string. Print the string. Click the run button. See this string. This is about the substring. The ninth topic is string comparison. Let's declare the channel name in lowercase. Let channel name in lowercase equal to ABCD, and declare one more property for the uppercase. Let channel name in uppercase equal to ABCD. To compare both properties, if channel name in lowercase double equal to channel name in uppercase, the double equal will check whether both strings are equal or not. If it is equal, it will come inside the loop, or else it will go to the else statement. Click the run button. See, it is not equal. Even though the same spelling, it is mismatched in upper and lower cases. So it is not equal. Let's make the string lowercase and do the condition check. Click the run button. See, it is equal because we are changing both cases to the lower and compare. Let's declare some special characters. Let special character 1 equal to ABCD/UE9, and let special character 2 equal to ABCD/U65/U301. Now do the comparison check. What do you think? It is both are same or different? Click the run button and see, it is both are equal because it will consider the actual result, not what we are providing. Here the E9 and 65301 will return same symbol only. So it is equal. You got it right? Let's see one more example. Let stars equal to triple star. Let name equal to ABCD. and let channel name equal to /name and /stars. Now do the comparison check. If name plus stars double equal to channel name. Here it will append the name and stars and compare them with channel name. Click the run button and see it is both are equal. As I have told you, it will compare the value inside it. This is about the string comparison. Let's see the conclusion of the session. We have seen substrings and string comparison. In part 5, we will cover the characters in Swift. So stay tuned. This is all about the strings and characters in Swift. Part 4. Please know it before using it. I hope you guys understood and enjoyed the session. Thank you. Bye bye and see you in the next video.